Read me. Effective listening is more important than speaking. Effective listening is indeed more important than speaking. When we listen to others carefully and attentively, we gain a better understanding of their thoughts, ideas, and perspectives. This helps us to communicate with them more effectively and build stronger relationships. Effective listening also enables us to avoid misunderstandings, conflicts, and mistakes that can arise from poor communication. Additionally, by listening to others, we can learn from their experiences and knowledge, which can help us to grow and develop as individuals. Therefore, effective listening is an essential skill that can benefit us both personally and professionally. Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.